Ohlson Mountain is a predominant hill located approximately 8 miles north of Homer, Alaska. In 1955, the Air Force decided to build a radar site on top of Ohlson Mountain and calling it Ohlson Mountain Air Force Station. Construction began in 1955, and the 937th Aircraft Control and Warning Squadron was activated and put into place on top of the mountain in 1958. The facility was deactivated May 15, 1963 due to budget reductions. On July 3, 2022, while in the area of Homer, I decided to locate the old Air Force Station and fly my drone to see if any of those buildings still existed today. It did not take me long to realize that a rock quarry now occupied the area of the old Air Force Station. However, some remnants were still visible. One of the two radar tower foundations still stands today in the exact spot where it was built more than 60 years ago. The second radar tower foundation was found demolished in the bushes. This concrete box-like structure fascinates me the most because I don't know what it is. We do know that the facility was built with a concrete foundation, but everything above the ground was built out of wood frame. This leads me to believe this concrete structure was either some type of underground bunker or possibly a weapons storage vault. The newly constructed ramp and fresh tracks around this structure indicate something is getting ready to take place here. Closer inspection of the structure indicates that demolishing is just now starting to occur. Unfortunately, it does not appear this structure will be standing much longer. Two additional foundations still occupy the area. Based on old photographs, the thinner concrete slab on the left was where the water tank once stood. Sadly, the few remaining structures of Ohlson Mountain Air Force Station are slowly being chipped away. Unfortunately, all of these structures may soon be gone. However, the memories of some of the men that worked on top of Ohlson Mountain will never be forgotten.